We are now in the property section of the Helona Property Management app. As we can see, there are 5 units in total across 2 different locations. These are divided into 2 categories: regular tenancy units and special purpose units. For example, on St. Gabriel Street, there is a common room and at the same address, 3 regular tenancy units. 2 of them are rented and complete with all the relevant contract details, while 1 unit is still available. On 2200 Nueces Street address, we can see there is 1 more available unit. Now let's add a new property. We press the Add Property button on the top left. When choosing an address name, it can be any address we choose. If it's an existing address, the software will automatically group the units together under this address. Let's add a new address name. The property will be located on the 4th floor under unit number 12. We'll set the property type as a studio. The unit purpose can be regular tenancy, common room, study room, or RA residence. The special purpose units are common room, study room, and RA residence. While regular tenancy is used when tenants will actually live inside, we can also define the minimum and maximum number of tenants. Once everything is set, we click Add Property. Now we have 6 units. Under 2200 Nueces, the new property has been added. If we want to adjust details like the door number, we can edit it. For example, changing 12 to 11. Save, and the changes are instantly updated. Once the property is created, we can add a contract. We go to the contract section and click Add Contract. Here, we can define the contract duration. For example, let's choose 1 month. We can set a deposit, the monthly rent, and even assign a superintendent to handle maintenance. Once we have filled up the contract details, we can move up to the tenant's details. We can add the tenant's first name, last name, and email address. Mobile number and academic term fields are optional. For academic term, we can choose full year, fall, spring 1, spring 2, or summer. Let's choose fall. Perfect. Now we can set the move in and move out dates. For example, the tenant moves in on September 7th and moves out on September 28th. Once ready, we click Create. The contract is now created with all tenant details inside. When we go back to the property section, we can see the unit status has been updated. It's now marked as rented. This is how you can add a property and create a contract inside the Helona platform. Ready to automate your property management? Just visit helona.co.